Who cares about learning the full words? You just going there for like a couple of days. You don't need to learn the whole thing. Come on. So you're at the restaurant. You have a menu in your hand. You hear from a travel channel and they said, try local food because they are fun. That's how you interact with the locals. So you try it out. And none of them speak English. And you just sit there and everyone just looking at you. Like, what the heck this guy doing? You know what? I'm here to rescue you. Now, all of this sentence is gonna help you navigate how to order your food. And so you can have more time mingle with the locals. Alright, enough talk. Let's just get on with this. Let's go. First one. I would like to order. ฉันต้องการสั่ง ฉันต้องการสั่ง which means I would like to order whatever it is that you're craving for or whatever they have special. Okay? ฉันต้องการสั่ง fried rice, noodle, I don't know, whatever it is. ฉันต้องการสั่ง that can be food related, that can be drinks related, that can be anything that edible that at the restaurant. ฉันต้องการสั่ง which means I would like to order whatever. Just say if you're a vegetarian or a vegan and you're there and everyone's kind of like, well, you're like, well, I don't know what to eat. I'm vegan, man. You know, what do you guys have for vegan food? Thailand is probably one of the countries that have a very wide range of varieties of very vegan friendly or vegetarian friendly place in the world. And if you're vegan, Thailand is a good place to go. All right. So yeah, how to say I'm vegan or vegetarian. I mean, I guess vegetarian can eat vegan too. So, okay. How to say I'm vegan in Thai? ฉันทานอาหารเจ which means I only eat vegan food. I would like to have a vegan food. Okay? ฉันทานอาหารเจ ฉันทานอาหารเจ อาหารเจ means vegan food. ฉันทาน means I eat. I only eat vegan food. Okay? But if you're a vegetarian, is อาหารมัง. That's the easiest word. That's the shortest word. The full word is อาหารมังสวิรัติ which means who cares about learning the full words? You're just going there for like a couple of days. You don't need to learn the whole thing. Come on. I'm not here to teach you like the whole how to speak a right Thai, man. Come on. I'm vegetarian. ฉันทานอาหารมัง. That's for vegetarian. But for vegan, ฉันทานอาหารเจ. Okay? Alright, very easy, and most people understand that. And most of the restaurant can make vegan food for you. Very easy. You'll be surprised. Alright, next. Is it spicy? อันนี้เผ็ดไหม อันนี้เผ็ดไหม which means is it spicy? You're looking at the menu, I'm like, well, I don't know. I look kind of like, oh God, it's like full of like 20 chilies on there, but you're not sure. Like, อันนี้เผ็ดไหม just curiosity. Just in case if you want to order for your husband or for your wife, right? You know, just why not? อันนี้เผ็ดไหม Okay, which means is it spicy? But don't forget though, if you're asking a Thai, the local Thais, they might eat a lot of spices and they're like, yeah, ไม่เผ็ด because it's baby food for them. You know, it's like, oh, that's my pet. And then you go, oh my God, I'm like dying. I'm dead. All right. So yeah, อันนี้เผ็ดไหม Okay, which means is this one spicy? Next one. How to say this dish is delicious? You want to give them a compliment. This dish right here is delicious. Wow. It's life changing. จานนี้อร่อยมาก. This dish right here is delicious. Mind blown. จานนี้อร่อยมาก จานนี้อร่อยมาก จานนี้ which means this dish right here อร่อยมาก yeah, it's like family recipe. They made it once in like every 25 years for one day just for you. จานนี้อร่อยมาก this dish is very delicious. Now you're done eating. Ask for a check in Thai. เก็บเงินหน่อย เก็บเงินหน่อย เก็บเงิน เก็บเงินหน่อย I know the word เงิน is kind of hard to say, okay? So you can use the word ตัง เก็บตังหน่อย เก็บตังหน่อย Or just say check bin. Check bin means check please. Check bin. Okay? But when you're in Thailand, if you do this gesture like this, like right here, if they're like way far away and you go like this, which mean check please, I'm ready to go. You don't have to say much, just go like this. Like this. You know, we're like way over there. They're like 5 miles away, right? And you're like, oh my God, it's a huge restaurant. And like you go like this, which mean check please. They understand that. Okay? You don't have to say anything. Or you just turn around and say check bin. Check bin cup, check bin car. All right? Very easy. Go back and watch it, study it, practice it, because you're gonna need it. Very simple phrases. I'm not here to teach you how to read, how to write, how to like be like a professor in Thailand teaching you or whatever you want to do. Very easy, simple phrases that will save you time while you're in Thailand. All right, my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.